In this lesson, I will discuss about income and cross elasticity of demand. Income elasticity of demand measures the degree of responsiveness in quantity demanded due to change in income of the consumer, whereas cross elasticity of demand measures the degree of responsiveness of quantity demanded for one commodity due to change in price of other commodity. Let's start our discussion with income elasticity of demand. The two variables, the quantity demanded and income of the consumer, they move in same direction. It means that whenever there is increase in income, the quantity demand will increase, because due to increase in income, people will start buying more. And if there is decrease in income of the consumer, the quantity demanded will decrease. So there exists a positive relationship between change in income and change in quantity demanded. Therefore, the sign of income elasticity of demand, it will be positive. So far as the degree of income elasticity of demand is concerned, EM is the symbol of income elasticity. It can be equal to 1 or it is less than 1, or income elasticity of demand is greater than 1. In order to calculate income elasticity of demand, the general formula we use as percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in income of the consumer. And point income elasticity, that is slope multiplied by income level at one point and quantity demanded at that point. The arc income elasticity of demand is Q2 minus Q1 over M2 minus M1 multiplied by M1 plus M2 over Q1 plus Q2. So far as cross elasticity of demand is concerned, we discuss cross elasticity with respect to two types of commodities. One is known as a substitute and other is complementary goods. Substitutes like tea and coffee, and complementary goods can be tea and milk. Substitutes mean one commodity can be used in place of other commodity, whereas complementary goods mean two commodities complete the process. Tea and milk, petrol and car, these are different examples of complementary goods. Likewise, tea and coffee and pencil and pen, so these are substitutes. In case of substitutes and complementary goods, we use the concept of cross elasticity of demand, Ex dot y. Cross elasticity of demand measures the degree of responsiveness in one commodity due to change in price of other commodity. So the general rule is percentage change in quantity demanded for X divided by percentage change in price of Y commodity. And for point cross elasticity, it is slope multiply by price of Y commodity divided by quantity of X commodity. And arc cross elasticity is equal to Q2 minus Q1 over PY2 minus PY1 multiply by PY2 plus PY1 divided by QX2 plus QX1. This is basically these are QX2 minus QX1. So here we notice that quantity demand is for X and price is for Y commodity. Now the signs of cross elasticity of demand can be positive or it may be negative. In case of substitutes, you notice that if price of tea increases, it will become expensive. As a result, the demand for coffee will increase. So both variables, the price of tea and demand for coffee, they move in same direction. Both are increasing. So in case of substitutes, the cross elasticity of demand is positive. Whereas in case of complementary goods, when price of petrol increases, the demand for cars will decrease. So here there is a negative relationship between price of petrol and demand for car. So we can make one rule that in case of substitute, the cross elasticity of demand is positive, and in case of complementary goods, the cross elasticity of demand is negative. And degree of elasticity will remain the same as we have seen in case of price and income, that it may be equal to 1 or it is greater than 1 or it is less than 1. That's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.